I feel like we are schooled. We're never really educated.
Mm,
And that's one
hmm.
of the big problems in Western society. We get schooled into a certain way of looking at the human. We get schooled into looking at a certain way of society and politics and everything. And we don't get educated in the sense of educare, where the word's from, to draw out. It's not
To
like a
draw out, right,
yeah,
right,
it's not a drawing out of you. It's like dumping in right data and spitting it back on tests. And
right.
I think that's a that's a tragedy of Greek proportions. It really is when you think about it, right?
It,
I mean,
it does make one wonder if what would change about all the different social disorders that exist in the person and then in groups of people if we completely rethought the way that we actually allow people to immerse themselves in all facets of history. I mean, that I think the one thing that most of us could say that spend a lot of time in our heads in whether it's formal or informal training in history is that you start to see a lot of threads of human behavior that have persisted because we are who we are fundamentally as human beings. And it gives you this totally different perspective. I don't know how you feel about this, but you start to say, you start to see that that one can never give up hope. One can never simply give up on all of us as a society, because no matter how tough it might seem at this particular moment, almost all of it in some different flavor, for one, happened before. It gives you a sort of a look at, things could change, and but it's not an accident. So we need to make it happen. And in that sense, even though it can be overwhelming, it can also be a very empowering experience.
yeah, absolutely. And in this current milieu with the pandemic, knowing some history really helps kind of give you some comfort, realizing that we've all been here before. I mean,
Yeah.
just a little over 100 years ago, there was a tremendous pandemic in Europe, the Spanish flu. But most of us don't have memories of that, and our grandparents, may not even have memories of it. Um, and then, it's like every 150 years, basically going back, there's been some kind of plague or pandemic. So it put this current pandemic into perspective. And I think that's what history can provide.
Right.
And that perspective gives comfort, because it does, like you said, Scott, empower you to realize, yeah, we've been here before and we've gotten through it. And this is how people went about it. So it's very easy to get sucked into just like the present, and just kind of navel gaze in the present. But the history for me is just a perch, a place to see from. And I think seeing is really what it's about. Just being able to see what everyone else sees, but seeing it differently.